What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're well. We're going to go over Bitcoin and Ethereum. Currently, BTC sitting at 73K. Market cap 1.47 trillion. 24 volume 42 billion. So if we pop into the chart, we are seeing that continuation down. We didn't break that high, but as I mentioned in my previous video, we had a bunch of liquidity on our heat map, a bunch of liquidations right at that 78.1, 78.2. So we did grab some of those before dropping, and we dropped rather hard. So a couple scenarios here. We do have a massive head and shoulders. So this can be a 1 into a 2. It didn't quite reach the 50% off that previous bounce, but it did meet the minimum target. And then you would come down 3, 4, 5, and that head and shoulders target is sitting at 66K. Alternatively, this is the 5-wave move. We bounce up into the zone in between 77.8 and 80K before continuation down, which is very possible. Because if we look at the 3-day liquidation heat map here for Binance, all your massive liquidity, 45 million up here, you have 38 million, 28 million. It's right around 76 all the way up to about 77K, which is sitting 76, 77K, sitting right up near that target zone. So if we were to push up, liquidate all those short positions, then we could enter into the zone before continuation to the downside. But as of right now, we have broken this neckline of the head and shoulders. So let's see if we retest it and get rejected, or if we push back up through it. And that will give you more confirmation you're going to push up into the zone before continuation. But we are seeing what we've been looking for, which is continuation down. I do think this is a way B high. I don't think we'll push higher in a B. I think we'll see that continuation, and so far that's what's playing out. So we'd love to see it. We'll just see if that head and shoulders plays out, or if we're going to push up in that wave 2 before continuation down. Of course, quickly here on the daily chart, we're coming down in an ABC correction in between 52 and 61K, but I do think we'll bottom in the 30 to 40K range in October, November of 2026, which will be around 363.80 days since the high. That's what we're looking at on the daily and weekly chart. So we'll take a quick look at Ethereum. Currently, we're seeing at 1987, market cap 240 billion, 25 volume 18 billion. We pop into the chart, 4-hour time frame, very similar. We did create a lower low, so we may push up, as this was a very shallow bounce into this target zone in between 2.2 and 2.3K before continuation to the downside, or we drop a little bit lower, test the support at about 1800 before the bounce. But I do think it's likely we'll see a bit of a bounce before dropping in this zone. Of course, we can just bleed down like we did here, where we just cascade down into the target zone. But I wouldn't be surprised to see a bounce, which could offer a good short position from this target zone. And then, of course, if we look at what we've been covering on the daily, we're looking to come down off the bull market high in a WXY. And within the wave Y, we're counting the 5 waves. So wave 1, wave 2, all the way down here, wave 3, pushed up in the wave 4. I do think that's the high. Come down in the wave 5 in between 1400 and 1700 for ETH. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So far, it's playing out nicely. Just wait for those target zones for potential short opportunities. If you want to trade the Elliott wave trend, you always trade the pullback, not the impulse. You enter on the pullback so you can make money down on the impulse. All right, gang, for completely free access to my Discord, which includes my daily crypto analysis for all your favorite projects, as well as I'm covering gold and silver. Yours completely for free. Just take 30 seconds of your time and sign up to Bitfinex. No strings attached. This is one of the top exchanges. Once you've signed up, send me an email and I will send you the link. There's absolutely no strings attached for my daily crypto analysis, my Forex analysis. Yours free, guys. Check it out down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love.